Manifesting your dream life is a popular concept in the realm of personal development and spirituality. While there is no scientific evidence to support the idea of manifesting, many people find value in these practices as a way to set goals, focus their energy, and maintain a positive mindset. Here are some methods and scripts you can use to help manifest your desires. Set clear goals. Begin by identifying specific goals and desires for your dream life. Be as clear and detailed as possible about what you want to achieve. Write these goals down in a journal or on a vision board. Positive affirmations. Create positive affirmations that support your goals. These should be in the present tense and phrased as if you already have what you desire. For example, I am abundant and prosperous. I am in perfect health and well-being. I attract loving and supportive relationships. Repeat these affirmations daily, either in the morning or before bed. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living your dream life. Use all your senses to make the visualization as vivid as possible. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Gratitude practice. Express gratitude for what you already have in your life. This helps shift your focus toward positivity and abundance. Write down or say aloud things you are grateful for every day. Scripting. Scripting involves writing out a detailed narrative of your dream life as if it's already happening. Be specific and descriptive. Write in the present tense and include how you feel. For example, I wake up every morning in my beautiful, peaceful home feeling grateful for the abundance in my life. I have a fulfilling career that brings me joy. Read your script daily or whenever you need a reminder of your goals. Meditation. Practice meditation to quiet your mind and connect with your inner self. This can help you gain clarity about your desires and reduce stress and anxiety. Take inspired action. Manifesting is not just about wishful thinking, it also requires taking action towards your goals. When opportunities arise or you feel inspired to take a step, do it. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who support your dreams and aspirations. Avoid negativity and self-doubt. Stay patient and persistent. Manifesting may take time. Stay patient and persistent, and trust in the process. Believe that your desires are on their way. Release resistance. Identify and release any limiting beliefs, doubts, or fears that may be blocking your manifestation. Journaling or therapy can be helpful for this. Remember that manifesting is a personal practice, and what works for one person may not work the same way for another. The key is to stay consistent, maintain a positive mindset, and take actions aligned with your goals. Manifesting can be a powerful tool for personal growth and goal achievement, but it's not a guarantee of instant results. It's important to approach it with a balanced perspective and an open mind.